just purchased a Harbor Freight media blaster, the cabinet stand up, and I have a lot of aluminum that I want to clean up. So here's the S&S air filter cover, all aluminum. This is the glass beads that I'm using, size 8. I believe it's like 70 to 100. Here's the inside. Let's do that a little bit. Yeah, and this hose kinks too, so I'm going to be upgrading that. I have a few ideas, but I was just going to try to see how it works now. Since this was my first time doing it, I just kind of did half just to show everybody. Here's this side that I did not do. It was really hard to get into the grooves. I tried a toothbrush, a couple different things, and it wasn't clean. You can see the aluminum. It was just hard to get all this clean. The right side I bead blasted. So it actually turned out really nice. So that turned out pretty good. Here's the difference. So you can see the areas that I didn't do. Went right down the middle, horizontally. There, that's a little better. So it puts a pretty good finish on it. Here's where it was dirty. I tried to use a brush to clean all that out, you know, like a toothbrush and stuff. Couldn't really get it clean. I ended up doing the steering stem. I'm going to powder coat this, so went ahead and tried it, and it actually cleaned up pretty well. It takes a whole lot longer on the steel, but I have low PSI. I'm doing about 40 PSI. My whole main focus is for the aluminum. I got a whole bunch of aluminum on this that I'm going to clean up. I got the fork legs and everything else. Here's just another piece of steel. I only did half just to see what it would look like. I'm going to powder coat this one as well. This turned out pretty nice. This was just playing around to see what would happen. Okay, remember the bottom half I bead blasted using glass beads. The top I didn't do anything. So now I'm doing semi-chrome. Just putting on some. I'm going to leave this area here untouched just to give us a reference point. So what I did, you see the line. That line is where I used semi-chrome. The bead blasting down at the bottom half, you know, it's left a good finish. Using the semi-chrome, it's made a huge difference. And of course you can't tell. Anyway, the semi-chrome on the part that was bead blasted, it has a really nice finish. Looks very similar to the factory, which is what I was going for. The top part up here, the problem is you can still see, basically it's like you're shining up the oxidization, or the being still a little, not a clean finish. So anyway, I'm pleased. I got a lot more aluminum to blast. And I guess I'll just hit it up with some semi-chrome to clean it up a little bit, give it a little bit of a shine. Alright, there's a good spot. So here's the side that was bead blasted. Up here obviously was not. This section over here I did not use semi-chrome. This section I did, and all down here. Now the semi-chrome cleaned up the old oxidation, or however you say it. Okay, anyway, so it's clean, but this is a very clean finish. So anyway, I have a lot more to do. I'm going to be powder coating as well. If you want to stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll get a message when I post something new. So I got this new blaster. I'm going to powder coat. I'm going to learn as I go because I've never done this.